Hey guys, it's Homegirl, or is it Evangeline? I do not know. Because I just changed my name and I don't really know, so, but anyway. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be playing with slime. It's pink. It is very airfully. I haven't played with this in ages. So, whoa, it's really sticky. Ooh, it's nice. I haven't felt it in ages, so I'm just going to dump it out. Some dry spots. Just going to, if you would like to come out slime. Here we go. Ooh, I'm sorry you can't see it, but this is it. It's super air bubbly. It's super cold. It's really sticky. It feels gluey because I did make, this was for my slime smoothie. So yeah guys, it's super sticky. My lighting is amazing. It's a cool texture. I mean, it's like, it's so sticky. I wish I had some activator right now, but I honestly don't. I'm filming a video. It's actually going on my YouTube channel. I'm just talking to my brother. Oh, it's cold. I wish you could see it a bunch better because, like, I don't really have like the thing. I tried to, hold the thumb up so you can't see my face.
Hi. Sorry. Yeah, I know. I've already peeled the potatoes.
Okay, but guys, I'm not gonna restart the video. That bit could be in bloopers, but hey, look guys, I made a huge bubble. It's awesome. It's a super thick slime, so it's actually impossible to pop. Not really impossible, but pretty tricky pop. And it's this beautiful light pink. It's currently 6 o'clock at night, okay. And we're having mince and tatties for supper tonight. Even though I know it's 6 at night, and that's the time you would normally have dinner, or what do you call it, or supper. But it's just not ready yet because it was someone's birthday today. I'm not going to say who. But I feel so bad you can't see it. But I'm going to try to keep it up the whole time. It's going to be quite hard. Honestly, I wish you guys could see. I'm filming this on my iPad, you see? I'll just hold of it. But I can't make slime bubbles or anything. It's horrible filming this. Wait, no, I got a good idea. If you flip here around, you see right there? Yeah. Perfect. That is actually, hey, do you mind moving all this, like, with my knife? And okay, so guys, I got you in a good angle. It's a super good slime. It's amazing. The texture, it's sticky. It's kind of jiggly. Because I mixed a sticky slime into a store-bought slime, but the texture is amazing. Sorry guys if you don't like bad quality videos. I don't really know how to do that. Sorry guys. I don't really know how to set up camera. Today guys, I'm gonna do a slime swirl. Sorry, you always say I. This is slime smooth. This is like a slime swirl. So sticky, honestly. Well, it's not sticky anymore, but when I first, got, I was so sticky. Oh, so satisfying. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet so you can actually listen. Okay guys, I am back. That was such a fake pause. But I just put my hand in front of the screen, that's all. It's super sticky, oh my gosh. I've got to knead it a wee bit. Now. Oh my gosh, guys. I shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have done that. My hand's in a sticky situation right now. Okay guys, I am in a sticky situation right now. This is my hand currently. Hopefully I can get all the slime off my hands. Nope, this ain't gonna work. It's almost like a butter, sticky butter, because it's pretty thick. Right, I'll show you. I know I don't have a knife, but it does spread like butter. People think it's so annoying. People don't use knives. Why on earth did I mix it like that? Try to get all this, well, basically all this slime off my hands. Okay guys, I'm gonna let you just like look at the slime because I've got to go wash with my hands. Okay, I'm gonna let you admire the slime just so you can actually see what, if you think you would like it, or if you think you wouldn't. I think it's okay slime, but you guys might not. I'm gonna still be talking. You guys, well, I'm not doing a house tour, no, I'm not. Just gonna heat up. Oh, it's cold. Oh, here we go. and big for it, so. I don't want to like ruin the iPad because I'm pressing on it and stuff. Well, that will have to do for just now. I'll wash the rest off later. Oh no, I'm gonna wash it off now. Okay, that's me done now. Okay. Pardon me. I just burped a little bit. Pardon. Oh, but now I have to put this lid back in the container. Okay. Okay. So I'm just gonna shove this back in the container. Okay. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Bye! Pose. Pose. Oh, and press the like button with your nose. Bye! Wait, press it with my nose. Oh, whoops.